How to delete fees. Today we will discuss about how to delete fees in ZamaSchool. Here we will discuss about how fees can be deleted when applied on a class after any mistakes. Let's practice it. First of all, go to the fee module, then click on all student fee. You will see two options. One is add new student fee, which is when you are applying fee on a class, and the other option is delete fees. Click on the delete fee, select the class on which you have applied the fee and you have done some mistakes. In this case, we will select class first. We will select the month we are going to delete fee. A list of students with fee applied will be shown. Please note that deletion can only be done if you have not made any collection in this class. In this case, we have not collected any fees for class first, so we will proceed. Click the delete fee. A confirmation alert will be shown to ask user whether you are sure to delete or you have just clicked the button by mistake. Click OK to delete the fee for class first. After clicking, fee for class first will be deleted. A message will be shown. You can apply the fee again. Click on the add new students fee. Here you will select a class first. Month will appear. The fee which I have deleted can be applied again here. Hope after watching this video, you can easily delete fees in ZamaSchool software. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you need any help, call us on our registered number in the description.